God damn it. Saw his ass again. You bitch. He fucking got me again. I'm gonna find a different position when you bring me back. There's gotta be somewhere better than this. Ah, grenade. Fucking flashbang. Jesus Christ, I'm blind. Just killed two. Oh, fuck. Another one down. Okay, motherfuckers. I'm about ready to go hunting. Ouch. Got a needle, dude? Fuck no. Yeah, I killed a bunch right there. No, he ain't got shit. Okay, let me reload. I didn't see one. Oh, motherfucker. I'm out of ammo. I'm stealing that gun. Oh, fuck, I'm down. Well, shit. Yep. Hope it gives me... Oh. Well, I'm hoping that it gives me the right gun. There's a guy right here got a sight on me when I get up, though, so I gotta move instantly. Yeah, no shit. That would be fucked up, wouldn't it? All right. Have the right gun at least. Fuck. They're all over out there. I'm not sure how we're going to get out of this spot. Oh, damn. Put my head up, just about got it taken off. What's over here? Death. Oh, I'm down. Like I said, what's over here? Death? Shit. Oh, fuck me. They're like right... Oh yeah, we're both toast. I got 3 lasers on me. Yeah, kinda. Do it. Oh, fuck. Still have 3 lasers on me. I'm not sure how to pull this off. Set me up and I'll just start shooting. God, they're all fucking directions. Maybe I can come towards you. Yep, towards you. Yep. Oh, fuck. I ran into you and got shot. Still got 3 lasers pointed at me. Fuck me. Arlen, where you at? I know. Yeah, there's so many out there, and they're like right there. I'm ready. I tried that. That got me killed even faster. That's why I'm coming back towards you now. Because, yeah, that ain't... I know. So we're just both going to have to move instantly. I saw that. All right. Good. All right. Oh, you got hit. That ain't good. That ain't good at all. Yeah, I know, but for me to get him is going to be deadly. I'm going to have to lay on the floor. Yeah, to get to the needles, though, because I don't have any. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Are your needles any closer, or is that the last one? Oh, shit. We're fucking toast. All right, I'm getting the fuck back up. Oh, damn. I'm about dead. Shouldn't have got up that far. I know. Well, I shot at the lasers. That didn't do no good. I'm going to have to go out and get... I'm going to steal your weapon. If I don't get shot getting it. Shit, I got a magazine.